Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to another delicious episode of Star Flavor King, where we bring you the most mouth-watering recipes that you can whip up in no time. Today, I'm whipping up some mouth-watering honey garlic pork chops in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 3 minutes to a delectable dish that will have everyone asking for seconds. Fasten your aprons and let's dive in. This recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or an impressive meal for guests. First up, heat 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. The key here is to get the oil nice and hot before adding the pork chops. We're going for that beautiful sizzle here. The sound of the oil sizzling is music to a chef's ears, and a sign that you're on the right track. While that's heating up, grab 4 1-inch thick boneless pork chops and lightly season them with salt and black pepper. This simple seasoning will enhance the natural flavors of the pork. Remember, go easy on the salt because we've got soy sauce in the mix. The soy sauce will add a savory depth to the dish, so you don't want to overdo it with the salt. Alright, let's get these pork chops into the skillet. Lay them down gently to avoid any splattering. Lay them down gently and let them brown on one side for about 3-4 minutes. This will give them a nice golden crust that locks in the juices. You want a nice golden crust. This not only adds flavor but also gives the pork chops a beautiful presentation. While those are browning, let's make the star of the show, the sauce. This honey garlic sauce is what takes these pork chops to the next level. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup low-sodium soy sauce, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes if you like a bit of heat. The honey adds sweetness, the soy sauce brings umami, and the garlic gives it a punch of flavor. Mix it up until it's well combined. You want a smooth, cohesive sauce that will coat the pork chops beautifully. Now turn those pork chops over and cook for another 2 minutes on the other side. This ensures they are cooked evenly and remain juicy. Then pour that delicious honey garlic sauce right into the pan. Make sure to coat the pork chops well with the sauce. Let it cook until the pork is cooked through, which should take about 2-3 more minutes. The sauce will thicken slightly and become even more flavorful as it cooks. Once they're done, remove the pork chops from the pan and let them rest. This allows the juices to redistribute, making the meat even more tender. Reduce the heat to medium-low. We're going to thicken the sauce a bit more. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water and stir until it's mixed. This slurry will help thicken the sauce to the perfect consistency. Add this cornstarch slurry to the sauce in the pan and stir well. Make sure to stir continuously to avoid any lumps. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens up, which should only take about a minute. You'll know it's ready when it coats the back of a spoon. Alright, it's time to plate up. Arrange the pork chops on a serving dish. Serve the pork chops with that thick, glossy sauce. Make sure to pour it generously over the meat. For some extra flair, sprinkle on some sliced green onions, sesame seeds, chopped peanuts, or fresh herbs. These garnishes add a pop of color and extra flavor. And if you're feeling adventurous, add a drizzle of sriracha for a spicy kick. It's the perfect finishing touch for those who love a bit of heat. There you have it. Honey garlic pork chops that are sure to impress. This dish is not only delicious but also looks stunning on the plate. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support helps us bring more amazing recipes to you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Star Flavor King. Enjoy your meal. Happy cooking, everyone.